In this workshop, we'll be building out a GitHub code review AI agent for our vibe coders. It's 2025 and everybody's vibe coding, pushing out that AI slop code. And what we want to do is we just want to prevent your application from going out there and, not working as intended. So what we'll do in this workshop is build some sort of a senior engineer who looks after your code when you create a PR on your GitHub repository. It reviews your code, checks for bugs, suggests fixes, checks for duplicate code and stuff like that. And you can actually push it way beyond what we've actually done here. And guess what? I've actually seen projects like these as startups on Y Combinator. So I think this is really a big opportunity for you to learn something new using serverless technology and AWS, and maybe wrap it around a Stripe, a payment link, and push it out there and make some really great cash. So let's get down to it. Let me show you how it works. What you're currently looking at is the code for my vibe coded application. Let me say I want to make more updates and push and create a new PR on GitHub. So I'll go ahead and add another endpoint to my REST API. So I'll call this endpoint vibe code. This is vibe. Then it's expecting code and get. Yes, it's a get request, and it requires an API key and stuff like that. This is just an example. Status 1 minute vibe code. And what I'll do here is I'll create a new branch and save this updated code. So I'll say git switch -c, and I'll call this branch vibe code. And now I'm inside this branch. What I'll do right now is do a push. I'll say git add git commit updated vibe coded app. Spell vibe coded app and git push origin vibe code. And it has pushed that. So it says create a pull request by visiting this. I'll just click on that and I'll visit that link. So it's called updated vibe coded app. I can just any description here. You have to write the right description for your teammates and stuff like that. And then I'll just check out my updates and I'll create a pull request. And let's wait and see what happens. So you'd see it has started running my vibe code my GitHub review AI agent. And if everything works well, I'll actually receive a message on my Slack channel. And I pray everything works well. Let's hold that up. I'm just joking, it'll work. As you can see, it's already, here's my review of the provided code. It has done that. And all checks have passed. So it has actually reviewed the code and left a review. And since my Slack isn't open, I'll just open up my Slack to show you. I closed it. I'll just open up my Slack channel to show you that the message actually came in. I'm hoping the message came in, but I think it came in. And today, this is it. Success 1, failed 0. So you see, it actually sent the review to a Slack channel, which I configured using a Slack webhook. And let's go to AWS and I'll show you the step functions workflow that ran for all of these to happen, because it's an event-driven system and the entire process was orchestrated with the step functions workflow. So we have May 15 and this is the exact time, and this is the workflow that ran. And see, it fetched the PR changes, it generated a review with AWS Bedrock, it posted the review back to GitHub, and then it combined all the arguments and all the necessary arguments required to post to notify our Slack channel, and then it ended. As you can see, that's the entire, let me show you, that's the entire process, for our GitHub AI review agent. And we'll have to now get down to the code and see how we build this from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this little preview, and let's get to it.